The general definition of marriage under Indian law, marriage is the state of being united to a person of the opposite sex as a husband or wife in a consensual and contractual relationship recognized by law.
मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहीं सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं, तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं.
It was 3 years back, I believe. So Neha is good friends with Yadu, and so am I. Yadu is my childhood friend. So we had met on his birthday, and I think we just hit it off right away. We found each other very interesting. At least I found her interesting. I don't know about her. I just took a liberty of speaking on her behalf. But yeah, so then we became good friends. All of us in our friends group gelled really well. Neha and I had something special towards each other, I feel. Over a period of time, it developed into something more. And that's why I landed up here. So that's the sad story.
जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं.
When I think about her, what comes to my mind is a big smile, a really bubbly character, you know, somebody who's really happy. When I hear her voice, it gives me tension. No, just kidding. I mean, when I hear her voice, yeah, it feels like, you know, it feels like a lot of relief. You find a lot of comfort in her. That's what I feel.
think as a kid I always hated Neha, like till 10th standard. I never acknowledged her as my sister ever. But it's only after school we started staying together and we got to know each other much more, and we are just so close as sisters that I think nobody knows my surname. Everyone just calls us Neha Sonia, and I'm like a surname to Neha, and she's like a surname to me.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰੰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
इश्क दे अलिया जख्मां दे खुद हंस के मुंह सी लांगी जे यार मेरा मैनू जहर दे मैं गट गट करके पी लांगी
ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰੰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
मैं सस्सी सोनी हीर वांग ही जान दी बाजी लावांगी मैं थल विच फुड़का हो जांगी मैं जल विच गोते खावांगी
The general definition of marriage under Indian law: marriage is the state of being united to a person of the opposite sex as a husband or wife in a consensual and contractual relationship recognized by law.
You're from white, perfect strangers in the night. Here we are, come together. To the world we'll testify. Our hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones. And when they strike, we light up the world. Hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones. And when they strike, we light up the world. We light up the world. We light up the Firestorm. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.
Today's date we remember, of course,
Yeah.
16 10 16, you know. Rajat
smart
wanted it
of
to
you.
rhyme. 16 10 6 sounds cool. Let's select this date to get married. Okay, Rajat and I, we met at his best friend's party. It was his birthday. That was the first time I met Rajat. And after that we directly met in Bombay when I had come to meet my best friend Survi. That's the time I think for the first time I went clubbing. We went partying, right? And I didn't enjoy it at all. I was sitting in one corner and
And I love the fact that she didn't enjoy it at all because she was sitting in middle of a lot of people and she had made a sad face like.
I can't wait for you guys to come and sit here while we eat out there and you all just stare at our food and feel hungry. That's okay, but we still love you, right? That's what's gonna happen, right?
Neha, Rajat, congratulations from me, my family, and from Grace. She couldn't make it, so have a happy married life. And
Rajat has a very big heart, I know that. So we're really looking forward to this, Neha, and I know you're going to have a lot of fun. You're going to go for many parties. You're going to be more happening than you usually are. And Rajat, I do not know. I think you are the sweetest person. I don't think she could have gotten a better person than you. And yeah, all the best, you guys. Love you.
One thing, since I know the two of you from a pretty long time, all I want to tell you both is you guys are really balanced. Like I always thought that you people are two ends of the string, but no, these strings somehow have come together and they've tied a knot, and it makes so much sense. Now when I have started looking at you after 2 years of you guys dating each other in front of our eyes, I see that you people are very similar on so many levels.
Suggestions for Rajat? Okay. Well, she loves to be pampered. So, and definitely with all the good stuff world has to offer. So I think if that is done, then Neha's happy.
रजत नेहा को बहुत बहुत ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ हमारी तरफ से दोनों बच्चों को साल के 3 और 365 दिन उनकी बधाई दे। काफ़ी खुश हूँ मैं इनके शादी से।
नेहा तो बहुत अच्छी लड़की है और अब तो हमें लग रहा है कि हमारा घर पूरा हो जाएगा।
Keep feeding her at regular intervals.
Feed her, communicate. But like genuinely, I think Neha and Rajat are the most unusual couple that I have ever come across.
Congratulations Rajat and Neha.
Congratulations guys.
Really happy you guys made it, and can't be more happy. One of the best days that I've ever seen. So good luck. And Neha, I would like to tell you something. Be patient. Okay, if, whenever you're in a situation when you see there's no way out, be patient, be calm, relax yourself. Okay, go out, take a walk, and come back. Okay, so just be patient.
And Rajat, hi, I have something to tell you, and that is, now there is a girl in your life, and having a girl in your life, it takes a lot to deal with certain situations. So when you get apprehensive about things and when you get anxious about things, likewise, please be patient, please give it time, let things pass, everything will fall in place, and we are absolutely excited to see you both go through this journey again. And it is fantastic to see whatever happened here today. All the very best, guys. Have a very good life.
Love you guys.
Love you.